Alright. Okay. Before you change the oil filter, you need to drain the oils out. So just use your tool to it's hard. Alright, so it's a little bit hard, so try to put harder and turn it. Oh, cannot use this one. Alright, it's okay. This for alright, so you can see the oil is transient. And you need to clean this, make sure it's not dirty. Make sure it's not dirty, okay? Okay, so now just wait until it's straight. Okay, so here it is, and you just a towel, a paper, napkin, whatever, you can clean it out. See this? It's clean. Alright, you can see, so this oil has been drained, and next you replace the oil filter, right? So you can see after I use this tool to snap in here like this, and you turn it out, take it out. So after you, before you put the new oil filter in, you need to put a little bit oil on the ring. So use your hand to put it in. Don't use this tool. What I mean, like after you put the oil, put a little bit of oil on the ring, and just put it in. Use your hand to tie it up. That's good enough. All right. All right, don't put it too much. So just like more than half, and you need to check the oil level. Make sure you see. Don't you see, right? So this is the oil level, low and full. Between this will be okay, or not below or not above, right? That's good now. Clean it up. Okay, so last thing I need to remind you, first, when do you change the oil? Usually the zero turn, when it's reached to 50 hours use. So that is the time you change the oil. Before you change the oil, you need to empty the oil, make sure you secure close, and replace the oil filter, put some oils on the ring, use your hand to tie it up, don't use a tool, it's too much, you know, much strong. And after that you put oil in and make sure you check the level, don't make it below or higher the standard. Right? Thanks for watching.